pretty cool. So.
You guys want a photo today?
No, I'm okay. Thank you very much. We got the Snoopy fountain. Right, so we are in the park. Picked up the fast pass. Got my Cedar Fair Platinum pass as well. And I think we're going to go ride the Mad Mouse first because I'm approaching 200 credits. I'm on 198 at the moment, so I think we're going to do the Mad Mouse and then we're going to go get Renegade. So, we're here, Freeside. We're going to have an awesome day at Valleyfair. Let's go! So we are 199 up after getting the Mad Mouse. We're going to try and remember filming the signs and the footage and the vlog stuff. And yeah, oh there we go. What a grand sign this is. Right, so next up it's going to be Renegade. It's going to be my 200. Long time into making this, so yeah, looking forward to this one. We like a bit of GCI action. I hear good things about this one, so yes. Haven't seen it go round yet, mind you, but they were saying it was closed. They're now saying it's open. Queue's open. So, there she goes. As always, quality footage on this channel. That's what you expect. I'm not going to get the dispatch. So yeah, we just got off Renegade. Really enjoyed that. That is a good GCI. Pretty damn good. Up there with Wodan and Troy, I reckon. Like I say, not sure exactly. I have to get a few more re-rides on it later and properly rank it, but yeah, definitely one of the better GCIs I've been on, so I'm pretty happy with that for a start. And 200 up, so all going pretty well so far here at Valleyfair. So next one, Excalibur. This is a bit of a weird one. This is kind of like a giant arrow mine train or like a big arrow looper with no loops. How old was it? Was it 89? Okay, so they were about the same age as something like Magnum, right? Yeah. Where's the pathway? So we just got off Excalibur. That is an interesting ride, that. It's pretty good, I enjoyed it. A bit like a mine train, but a much bigger mine train that actually has airtime and some forces, yeah. And, you know what, that was smoother than I thought it was going to be. It's a little bit jank up into that first turnaround, I think, but apart from that, that's pretty good. I don't know who put that stupid chain in front of it. That's a bit of a shame. So we've just come over near the Planet Snoopy area of the park, which is the kids area. We managed to ride the Cosmic Coaster, which is the kids coaster here. You've been trying to get that one for a while, haven't you?
Right, yeah.
Your bucket list?
Maybe not that far, but
it's pretty good.
Cred's a cred, right?
A cred's a cred, that is right. Got off High Roller, which is the old school wooden coaster here. I think it's been here, I think you guys said, since the park opened. So that's High Roller. Yeah, I actually really enjoyed that. That was one of the better, sort of slightly older wooden coasters I've ridden. It was pretty smooth. Had a few pops of airtime on there. Nothing spectacular, but yeah, that was pretty good. Comfortable. Trains were in good condition. So yeah, we're making some pretty good progress here. Actually, we've done, what's that, 5th coaster we've knocked out?
Basically, only have we got a Corkscrew,
Wild Thing.
Steel Venom. I know you don't count it, but we got a Zamperla disco.
Okay. Got a few things to get done still then. That's a really nice park. It's, like I say, it's pretty, it's well kept. Fast Pass was a godsend though, because that queue looked for high roller. I'm not sure I would have had a high opinion if I'd waited an hour for it. Next coaster up is Corkscrew. Surprisingly enough, it's an Arrow Corkscrew. Inventive name, right? But yeah, these are pretty standard. Been on a few of these before. Has it got the Helix as well?
It's got a Helix as well, yeah.
Okay, so I read a pretty jank one of these in Germany. I think it was probably, I don't know if it was a Vekoma or an Arrow actually. Pretty similar layout, but yes, let's see what it's got for us. Came out to the car for a little bit, have a cigarette. Means I can film the front entrance a little bit for you guys. So
Welcome to Valleyfair.
it's quite a nice entrance, to be honest. It's welcoming. Right, get back in the park. Still only got 2 credits to do, so Wild Thing and Steel Venom still to do. Still drink on my shoe. So yeah, been a really successful day so far. Just done Wild Thing here at Valleyfair, big Morgan hyper. So yeah, one of the few hypers I've done actually, but that was alright. Not fantastic. First drop was really good. Nice airtime on the first drop. It's got that sort of slightly misshapen, so you start down the drop and then you hit the sort of extra crest. Yeah, nice pop there. The valleys were pretty, I don't know what the word is, like...
Jarring.
Yeah, jarring, that's, yeah, thanks mate. Not fantastic, but still, another good credit to get. And actually next up, last coaster we got to get here is the Impulse, the Steel Venom, is it? And it's got the holding brake running, so the guys were saying they've never ridden one when the holding brake's actually working. We'll head over there now, get a ride on that, and then probably grab some food and get a few more on Renegade.
All clear, launching in 3, 2, 1.
Did Steel Venom, it kicked my ass. I ended up throwing up in a flower pot. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but you know, it happened, so I ain't gonna lie. To be honest, we've done everything here now, and it seems better to just get back on the road and get down to where? Altoona. So that's Adventureland tomorrow. So yeah, we're keeping on rolling. 8 credits here today. So yeah, I actually really like the park. It's a really nice place. Just a really nice sort of setting to be in, and everything's maintained well. The ops have been pretty good today, haven't they, as well? So yeah. All in all, a pretty good park. I think it gets a bit underrated, actually. Really nice. I'm impressed, so yeah. Anyway, I think we're gonna hit the road. So if you enjoyed the vlog, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, all that fun jazz. Just gotta do the YouTube thing, right? Anyway, and yeah, hopefully you'll watch the next vlog, which might be available in 2032. So enjoy that.